What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to episode 2 of the Fly Define series. It's a follow along jump rope hit workout with my boy Joey Scott.
What's cracking, people?
That was sick. Listen guys, this is episode 2. If you thought the first workout was difficult, Joey's got a serious workout for you guys today. This is 12-minute follow along. You know the drill. We're gonna be using skipping, and we're also gonna be using some just sick bodyweight exercises that Joey's put together. So guys, remember, this is not gonna be easy. You just gotta stay consistent with these workouts, get it in each day. If you trip on the rope, you're gonna see both of us trip on the rope probably today. Just keep going, right? This is all about staying consistent. So without further ado, guys, we get straight into this workout. Remember, if you haven't already, smashed the subscribe button and join the hottest fitness community growing across the world today. And if you're unsure about what speed ropes we use on this channel, this is the Rush Athletics speed rope, also known as the money rope, guys, the most in-demand speed rope on the planet, man. No doubt about it. So guys, we get straight into this in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Yes guys, here we go. So I've got my interval timer here. The first thing we're gonna do is 1 minute warm up. So I want you guys to get your rope ready. If you missed last week's workout, I'm trying to get this off my hoodie. Right, this is the warm up, guys, yeah? So Joey, follow along, mate. One arm swings, guys. It's always gonna be the same. We're gonna get the body warm. Stay nice and light on your feet. We're gonna be doing this for another 10 seconds, and Joey's gonna do a bodyweight exercise to kind of warm up as well. That's it. So the balls of your feet, and Joey's gonna do a quick warm up for the body.
Let's do some jacks.
Jumping jacks.
Just rotation.
We're staying on the balls of our feet here, guys.
Balls of our feet.
That's it, man.
We're gonna go into some splits. Getting the heart pumping, blood circulating around the body.
1 more second. Right, here we go, guys. We're gonna get straight into a 30-second break. Remember, this is not gonna be easy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through this, bro.
Yeah, man, we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it.
Everybody, we're just gonna try it. Remember, guys, go at your own pace. Take your time.
Well, anyway, look, you got 10 seconds of rest left. I'm gonna take you through the first workout for skipping, right? So 1 minute skip. It's a run skip with side swings, okay? This is perfect to get the blood moving, guys. This is how it goes. So, you're running, and we're into the side swings, Joey.
Side swing.
So you start with a run, and remember, if you can't match the side swings with your running, guys, just continue your running. So let's start with a run for Joey.
All right.
Yeah, you keep with that. So if you're more in an intermediate level, beginner, you can stay with the run. But if you feel confident, you mix in that little side swing. Yeah, not bad, bro. Or you can even do like a little bounce and add a side swing here. Nice. Good. 20 seconds left, guys. I want you to really drive your heels off the floor, guys. Stand up, pull your feet. Remember the breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. 5 more seconds, and then first bodyweight exercise. Here we go. Let's go, Joey, what's up?
Press ups, guys.
Press up, straight in there, guys.
Arm shoulder width apart.
Yep.
Down. Up. Extension.
Let's keep going, guys. 10 more seconds of this.
And down nice and low, head down.
What's the next one after this, Joey? 2 more seconds.
Right, straight into jump squats, guys.
Jump squats.
So down, up, powering up. Getting down nice and low. Working them quads, them glutes.
Ooh. Oh, I'm feeling it.
Nice soft knees when you're coming down.
5 more seconds.
Arms behind you.
And that is the first workout cycle done, guys. 30 seconds rest. 10 seconds of rest, guys. Get that water in. Remember, at home, if you want to know what mats we're using as well, this is the Rush Flex XL mat. Get involved. Next one, guys, is going to be side straddle. Side straddle. Yeah, nice, Joey. For this one, guys, just want to stay coordinated, balanced. Pretty much everything else you do in skipping is the same, but you really want to keep it nice and easy. If you want to make it more difficult, slow the movement down and go wider. These are great, guys. Nice and easy. 30 seconds left. You can increase the speed if you want. Yeah, nice work, Joey. How you find these?
Yeah, nice.
Decent, right?
Decent.
Should be feeling a light little burn now on your quads.
Feel it in my hips.
Feeling the hips, yeah? They're easier than they are after. Should be burning now. 5 seconds left. Then we're going into reverse lunges. Let's go, Joey. Reverse lunges, guys.
Reverse lunges.
What's the technique here, Joe?
So your technique
Straight back.
is to try and keep your back nice and straight. Try and make your legs go back in a straight line. Getting a full stretch. Engaging your core. The most important thing, guys, is to try and keep yourself upright.
Cool, 3 more seconds left. Let's go, next one, Joey.
So we're going to go into walkouts.
Oh, damn.
So here, press up.
Oh, the press up. We're trying to
Great,
keep it.
great for the hamstrings, guys. Shoulders.
We're
Try
trying
and keep your your legs nice and straight when you come back up. So you feel that burn in the hams.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah. Feel that
You
burn.
feel that?
That's the second cycle. 30 seconds rest. Right, guys, few seconds left of this break. We're getting into high knee run. Let's do this. Right, high knee run, Joey. Same as the run. We're gonna just try and drive your knees up to the sky as high as you can go. Stay in the balls of your feet, as always. Nice and balanced. Get those knees up, Joey. Get those knees up. That's it, bro. 30 seconds left. Keep pushing, guys, keep pushing. Should be feeling those burn now in the legs. Keep your knees up, 15 seconds. Slow it down if you need to. 10 seconds. Right, Joey's putting some new moves. 5 seconds, what are we getting into next, Joey?
We're going to go into pulls, press up.
Pause, press up.
So press up, pulls, pump. We're going to go down, down, hold it at the bottom, up slowly. Or we can do 3 levels. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
oh, this is dirty.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. 2, 3.
And up, last one.
1, 2, 3.
Ah. What's next, bruv?
Straight through into oblique twist kick through.
Ah.
So arms, shoulder width apart, and we're going to kick through, working them obliques with a twist. Emphasize on that twist, guys. So you're kicking through. Great exercise for the obliques. Through.
Last 5.
Kick throughs. This is amazing exercise, guys.
Don't know about you.
Bro, I'm dying.
I'm
30
30 seconds rest. going into lunge jumps now. This is dirty.
Dirty.
So lunge jumps, 1, 2, change into a different leg here. 2, switch legs. Nice, Joey. So it's all about engaging your core, guys. Making sure that your knees don't buckle in. You're not buckling in like this, you're trying to push your knees outwards. That way we make sure that we engage the right muscles. We don't damage the knees. Nice. You can go slow, you can go fast. My hoodie's getting in the way. How you feeling? Joey's feeling it. 20 seconds, guys.
Fine, guys.
Joey's feeling it. There you go. If you're gonna trip, you're gonna trip. Keep going. 10 more seconds. Chest out, back straight. 6 more seconds. 5, 4. There we go. What's next for Joey?
We're gonna do a back variation, guys. So we're gonna be here. So we're gonna go down into our plank. Then we're gonna squeeze up,
Nice.
down, other arm. So we're working the rhomboids, guys. But we've also got some core in there.
These are nice.
Squeeze.
Hard.
So the upper back. Great exercise, guys.
Very good exercise.
Squeeze.
Ah.
Up.
What's next one, bro?
And then we're gonna go into scissor kicks.
Flutter kicks.
So flutter kicks for the core. Rectus abdominis.
Oh.
Them abdominal muscles. Remembering to breathe, guys, all the time. Gauging that core. If you want to make it a bit difficult, you could do
5 more seconds.
pulls.
Ah. Ah.
Holding.
Ah. 1 more cycle left, guys. 30 seconds.
Cycle's doing well, guys.
You got this, you got this, you got this. How you feeling, Joey?
Knackered.
Dead.
Dying, literally.
A few more seconds of this last rest, guys. We're going into freestyle skip. You want to put together as many footwork combinations as you can, crossovers, however you wish. And just stay nice and light on your feet. Mix it up with some high knees. Oh, Joey's throwing in a double. Like that, Joey. A few little cross steps, boxer kickouts, a few crossovers. Nice, Joey. Look at this guy. He only learned about a month and a bit ago, guys.
Months.
Oh, this hoodie. Let's keep going, man. Keep going, guys. 20 seconds left. Put together some combinations. Five more seconds. My legs are dead. What's the next one, Joey? Back extensions.
Back extensions.
Back extensions, guys. What's that on your front?
On your front. You're going to Superman.
Oh shit.
Or you can hands by your head. Or for beginners. So hand beside your side. Lifting up. For advanced.
5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Burpee finisher, guys. Let's go. Let's go, Joey.
Burpees.
8 knees. Ah.
Burpees, guys.
Oh, with the press up. I'm not even going with the press up.
These are more advanced, guys. If you want to get advanced,
Damn. I'm gonna try that.
intermediate,
5 more seconds.
beginners.
2, 1. That is the workout. Done, my guy.
My guy, always a pleasure. Dying.
Guys,
Stay winning.
stay winning. That was difficult. Joey, thanks for that. That's probably one of the hardest workouts we've put together on this channel, no doubt. Hopefully you guys made it all the way through. Big up if you did. Remember, comment down below. Let us know how you're getting on with these workouts. Episode 3, next week, Monday. Every Monday, guys. We're gonna stick to this, yeah?
All the time, bro.
Every week.
Can't even speak, guys. I'm done.
Listen, hope you all found it useful. Drop me a big thumbs up if you did. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Let's go crush it, guys. I'm not gonna talk any longer. Just wanna say thank you, big up, appreciate you all. Much love.
Thank you, guys.
So without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Peace.